High in the misty mountains of China, an iconic creature roams the bamboo forests, feeding on the lush greenery
and thriving in one of the most unique ecosystems. The giant panda, an emblem of conservation and a symbol of China.
Pandas inhabit the temperate zones of the Sichuan, Shaanxi, and Gansu provinces at elevations of 1,800 to 3,000 meters. Their habitat is characterized by dense bamboo forests, which provide the perfect environment for these herbivores to thrive. Pandas are specially adapted to their diet of bamboo, with powerful jaws, enlarged molars, and a specialized digestive system. They spend up to 14 hours a day feeding, consuming up to 40 kilograms of bamboo per day. Pandas are solitary animals, with adults only coming together during breeding season. Female pandas typically give birth to 1 or 2 cubs, which are born blind and helpless. Thanks to dedicated conservation efforts, the giant panda has been downgraded from endangered to vulnerable on the IUCN Red List. Join us in appreciating the majesty of the giant panda, an iconic species that reminds us of the importance of preserving our planet's precious biodiversity.